Welcome to the fourth video in our Celebrity Millennium Japanese cruise series.
In this episode, we leave Osaka and travel further south onto Kochi.
Good morning from Kochi.
Not the most picturesque.
Yeah, I was about to say the exact same thing. It's safe to say it's not the most picturesque of ports. However, if you ignore the quarry type area beneath at the bottom there and look over there, you do see some very, very beautiful tree covered mountains. Apparently it's a half-hour journey today on the shuttle bus to take us into the middle of the city, and we're looking to see a Japanese castle today, and I think we can get off the ship today at 8:30.
No, we've docked earlier, so I bet the let's go off again.
Possibly a bit earlier, but the buses might not be running.
Oh yeah.
Back on by 4:30 today, so relatively short stop today. We are crying out for a sea day to recharge our batteries. It's a brilliant itinerary, but it's very, very full on, and the temperature yesterday and the day before was just brutal.
People from Mexico are saying you're struggling.
Yeah, so people from Mexico, we were talking to people last night on deck, and people from Mexico are complaining about the heat. So it is hot. That said, it was hot, but it wasn't like unbearable. It wasn't, if I don't drink every 3 seconds, I'm going to drop dead. Not like that at all. He's just hot and sweaty. I say, if you ignore the quarry, there's a little Kochi cruise terminal, and there are people there getting ready to wave us in, including can I zoom in a little character with a mascot.
Oh my god, look!
So there you go. Welcome to Kochi. There's a big banner saying welcome to Kochi.
If you do this cruise on the Millennium anyway, make sure you starboard, because you're the right way every time you stop at a port.
皆様のお越しを心から歓迎いたします。Good morning everyone. Welcome to Kochi.
Don't forget though, Japanese don't want tourists. Don't forget, they don't want tourists.
Big flags of the local festival welcome you with us. Thank you from all of us in Kochi. We really hope you enjoy your wonderful summer day in Kochi. Have a great day.
Just getting a coffee in Cafe El Baccio, and there's something going on deck below us, and there's a lot of excitement.
They're doing a bowl golf.
A lot of oohs and ahs.
It's a golf thing, Pete.
I was drinking some more oohs and ahs. There's the oohs and ahs.
And these are cheese, Danish and cheese pastries. But you'd think they're cheese, but they are, what are they, Peter?
Is that cheesecake?
These and all of the snacks in El Baccio are included in your cruise fare.
Hirome shopping centre, shopping street, wooden architecture.
The 120-metre long wooden arcade is a significant cultural landmark within Kochi.
Just off the free shuttle bus, took like 20 minutes, an idiot ran over. Look both ways. Green Cross board man will be proud of me. That's David Prowse. Anyway, so yes, off the bus, 20 minutes, and a quick walk through. We're heading towards the castle. As ever, everything dead easy. People incredibly helpful, guiding you as you get off the shuttle bus. Just take real care and really welcoming. And first thing they said was, thank you for visiting, thank you for coming. So despite what you may hear, they want us tourists to visit. There is a famous Hirome bridge, which is just over here. We're going to head there in a second. So all the pedestrian crossings have awesome little music as you cross. Hello Kitty, because of course. It's the famous bridge that everyone's pictures taken with. Getting here before the rest of the crowds. Gorgeous. Trees in the middle of the city. Beautiful. Trams are really cool here in Kochi. Everything's very neatly signposted for you. Out of the blue is an immense Japanese castle. Are we climbing up to the castle?
Very slowly.
Right, let's see how wise a decision this is. Started to climb the steps up to Kochi Castle. How many steps there are, but a few is a guess. Despite lots of fluids and a UV umbrella, it is definitely warm. But beautiful nonetheless. The first tier done. Right, head towards the next tier. Fair play, there's old people with walking sticks doing this no bother. So it's fairly gentle, to be honest.
It's just the heat, isn't it?
Yeah, there's an old guy with an oxygen tank doing it. So yeah, it's doable, but hopefully this is coming through on the video okay, because that is unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's an alternative to the steps as well, there's a little shale path. We'll see which is better.
So, upon conversation with some guys from Australia, yes, this path is easier, so take the path to the left, not the steps to the right.
Let's go.
The 200 plus steps up to Kochi Castle were worth it even in this heat, and you are rewarded with some stunning views of the castle and surrounding areas.
If you come to Kochi Castle, you have to take your shoes off when you get here, so don't wear trainers.
No. Alright, let's go through the gate that is not made for tall people again.
So these castle doors, which are very nice. Look at the size of Peter going through this in a minute. Hang on. See, I don't need to duck, but he does.
This is very convenient. Oh, when you're this hot. So useful lockers at the bottom of Kochi Castle. See if you keep stuff up. 100 yen. Lisa's got herself all spiritual. It's a random beautiful little shrine. We found a market, managed to get a seat, and be very careful not to record anybody. Quite a unique experience, to say the least.
So we're being a bit brave, right out of our comfort zone. It's far too thing.
Oh, yeah,
So in
absolutely.
this little place, and you just
I don't know what's meat, what isn't.
kind of order like that. And I have a lemon soda. I don't know whether it's alcoholic or not. Lemon sashi. Peter's there looking extremely hot. Show them your beer. Hi.
The list of do's and don'ts for the market included no fighting, no dancing and no singing.
I'll put down now to feel like a right tourist. I look like a hot, sweaty tourist. So I think, William Lumley, specifically, you would like these. It's the candied strawberries. How pretty is that? So pretty. Gorgeous.
I can't see for sweat. Good?
It's beautiful.
So Lisa has come into her first Japanese arcade. And this is random.
One thing about Japan, it brings the child back to you. It's fabulous.
What's random though is you can play a game where you can win a packet of crisps. Why would you want to win a packet of crisps?
This is better than the other two
buy it.
pens. Like this one.
Halfpenny push for the older among us. This is the most random one yet. Weenie style toilet roll.
We decided we'd earned another drink and found this amazing bar near the tourist bus drop-off area.
So to assist with the temperature regulation, we are on the shochu lemon. Which is lovely. I know, so it's strong and strong and normal, or strong and standard.
Yeah, I like that.
Cool glasses.
Yeah, it's a really clever idea, that. Strong standard, I like it.
We headed back on board Millennium, and as we were preparing for sail away, the tourist board put on another show for us.
Thank you for joining us. I will have to say goodbye. Did you enjoy your wonderful day in Kochi?
Yes!
Are you taking home good memories of Kochi? Will you come back to Kochi again?
Yes! Father, look.
皆様ありがとうございます。
Arigato.
Thank you for coming to Kochi, everyone. Please enjoy the rest of your trip
gorgeous was that?
There's Lisa modelling the latest line of balcony attire.
They waved us off the entire time until we couldn't see them anymore.
The sunsets continue to impress.
Hello, been a while. It's been a while. Yeah, one of the things about this ship and this itinerary is it's very quiet on an evening because everyone's exhausted. It's very
literally no one about.
It's exhausting. Like it's busy 6, 7 o'clock. And that's it. Everyone goes to bed. Everyone crashes. Everyone goes to sleep. Don't blame them because it is very, very tiring. This is the pool deck on an evening. Very pretty. I presume at some point there'll be a pool deck party. Possibly.
Night after next.
Yes, tomorrow we are in Hiroshima. We are desperate for a seat here.
And I normally hate seed.
We are loving, and I mean loving, this itinerary. We're going to some stunning, amazing, like, places. But anyway, so go try the Sky Lounge, see what that's like.
The Sky Lounge wasn't for us, so we headed off to bed again.
On our next video, we visit Miyajima, Hiroshima, and unknowingly get caught up in an international tsunami scare, which incidentally I said would happen from the moment we booked it.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.